Morning student, it is Ajay Yadav, your social science teacher. Today we are going to read Geography chapter 5 Industry. In this chapter we are going to read about the iron and steel industries. Today in modern time, iron and steel industry is the very important for the any country. If any country have the maximum quantity of the iron ore and iron production, the country is called a developed country, because in these days all the things like housing, transport and communication, shipbuilding, automobiles manufacturing, these all are done with the help of iron and steel. Why the iron is so important for any country or any people? Because of that the characteristics are given here. Iron is very durable and strong. It can be shaped in various way, and it is easily available and very cheap in cost, and it is easily mixed with the alloy metal, means to say we can mix the another minerals with the iron and make the change the quality of the things. Now processing of iron and steel, how the iron is processed into a steel. The refining in iron ore, coal and limestone is used. Coal is used to blast furnace. Burning of coal give out the heat which runs the blast furnace. And limestone is used to fluxing material which help the remove impurities from the iron ore. So the product obtained is known as pig iron, which is further processed to obtain cast iron, to wrought iron, and finally steel. This is the process. In this iron, first it is use the coal and blast with the help of iron ore is blast with the help of coal, and after that burning of that furnace, it is converted into flux material by the limestone, and the impurities are removed and it is converted from the iron ore, and slowly it is converted to pig iron. From the pig iron is, after the different process, is converted to cast iron, wrought iron, and then finally we get the purest form of the iron, that is called steel. Okay. Location of iron and steel industry in the world. Up in whole world, you have seen the figure. In this figure you have seen in Japan, it is the producing of iron ore in Japan: Tokyo, Yokohama, Fukuoka, Yamagishi, Okayama, Yamaha, and Hokkaido. These are the places in Japan. Those are producing the maximum quantity of the iron ore. In USA, lower Great Lake, South East region, Western region, China, Southern Manchuria, Northern China and Yangtze Valley, Russia, Ukraine, Germany, Korea, Republic, Italy, Brazil and India. These are the major iron ore producing countries in the world. Iron and steel in India, especially in our country, it is losing raw material weight of finished material less than the raw material, hence developed in region where the raw material is abundance. It is a heavy and bulky raw material in which the processing unit of industries tend to locate near the raw material. In iron and steel India, because as you know, iron is very heavy material, it is very heavy raw material, it cannot be easily transported from one place to another. That's why the industries, those are located or those are established near the place where the iron ore are extracted. Okay, in India, Jamshedpur, in Jharkhand, Jamshedpur is the plant, a factory where the maximum quantity of the iron ore are produced. This and another iron plants are located in the Durgapur, Bokaro, Borramkulti, Raurkela, Bhilai, Bhadravati, Visakhapatnam and Salem. Okay, these are the another places of the iron producing state of India. Okay, it is given here. Salem is named Salem Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant in Jharkhand, Visakhapatnam Steel Project, Hindustan Steel Limited in Raurkela, Odisha, Tata Iron and Steel Company, that is called TISCO in Jharkhand, Indian Iron and Steel Company ISCO, Visvesvaraya Iron Steel Limited, Bhilai Iron and Steel Center. So these are the major steel producing or the iron industries in India. Now here Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, the full form of the Tata Iron and Steel Company. TISCO is the TISCO is called. It is located in Jamshedpur. Okay, TISCO was the only iron and steel company of India before 1947. The industries which is given here, excepting the TISCO, expecting the TISCO all are established after the India get independence. But only TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company, in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, okay, it is established before the 1947 and it is operating in 1907. It is started in 1907 in Sakchi, which is in the confluence of rivers Subarnrekha and Karkai in Jharkhand. This TISCO plant, it is located near the Subarnrekha river and Karkai river in Jharkhand. Geographically, Jamshedpur is an ideal location for an iron and steel factory. If you geographically, according to geography, Jamshedpur is the very ideal location for the iron and steel industry because iron is available here, raw material is easily available. There is two rivers also float, Subarnrekha and Karkai. That means to say water availability. In previous video I have told you that some important factor, those are important for the establishment of the industries. So it is a very good place on the basis of that factors. Some are given here: availability of iron ore and availability of water. There are many reasons for this. Sakchi was only 32 km from Kalamati railway station. Okay, transporting system very good because Sakchi in Jamshedpur, Sakchi was the place where the TISCO company established. Up the TISCO plant, it is just 2 km away from Kalamati railway station because after 2 km traveling the material goods, we reach at the railway station, and from where we can easily transport that material to Bengal Nagpur railway line. Deposit of iron ore, coal and manganese were close to Sakchi. Near the Sakchi there is a deposit of iron ore. There is coal is also available for the energy purpose, and manganese, it is also available in Sakchi, near the Sakchi. The Sakchi was one to the major market of Kolkata. Coal comes from coal mines of Jharia in iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese come from the Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Karkai and Subarnrekha rivers ensure sufficient water supply. After the TISCO plant started in Jamshedpur, the government also took many steps for the developing the area of several other industrial plants. Come of the region: chemical, locomotive part, agriculture equipment, machinery, tin plate, cable and wire are produced in these factories. After the TISCO plants, when the TISCO plants were established in Jamshedpur, after that Indian government take the different steps. In that step, started to establish the lot of industries where it started to it produce the chemical, locomotive, agricultural products, mineral machineries, tin plates, cable, wire. These are production also started in those areas. There are many small and ancillary plants. Apart from the big steel plant in India, there are secondary producers and rolling mills as well. So the steel industry gave a new boost to the India economy because steel provides the backbone to most of industries. After that, many ancillary plants means many supporting plants. Ancillary means the supporting plants. Plants means not a plant. Paid nahi. Plant means another industries are established. Those are supporting because of the iron and steel are manufactured there, and with the help of iron and steel, the machineries, wire, cables, tin plate, these are also agriculture equipment started to produce in these areas. That's why the other supporting mills, the plants like steel, rolling mills are also established, and that is that's why called the iron and steel industry is the backbone of India. Okay. Next one is Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, important steel city of USA. Pittsburgh is the city which is located in USA. It is very, very important for the steel industries. It has several locations related to advantage of which city. While coal is available, locality iron up same as the TISCO in Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. Same as Pittsburgh in USA located, and is also very good steel plant because the different factors those are important for the establishment of industries also available here. Okay, it is 1,500 km from Pittsburgh. Mansodia and Great Lake water. There is a lake, famous lake, waterway which is the ship and routes in the world, provide perfect channel between these of cities. Railway route also available. And Mongolia and Algeria rivers are above the sea. Pittsburgh are floating. That's why the route transporting system good, water availability, raw material, these are also available here. So Pittsburgh is another place for the very good quality of the iron producing. Pittsburgh, these factories use steel, their raw material. They make many different products such as railroad equipment, heavy machinery and rails. These are the equipment made by the Pittsburgh iron plant. So thank you, and tomorrow we will give the next topic, cotton textile industry. I will give the questions from that related to this video. You will give the answer right in your notebook. Thank you very much.